Welcome to Global Online YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share and like and comment also. If you comment, it will be encouragement for us to give your answers. Okay. In this video, we shall learn about the NARCET. The subject is microbiology, MCQ, multiple choice questions and answers. So here are some questions we can see. The question is immunity depending on the production of antibiotics or sensitized cells by the host animal contrasted with possessive immunity. So there are four options. One is the active immunity, acquired immunity, innate immunity, D immunity. So from this, correct answer is the active immunity. So next question, we will go for next question. An infection which runs its course in a relative short period is known as. So there are four options for this. Infection, acute infection, chronic infection, none of above. So answer is second one. The B is the acute infection. Next question. The sticking of a microbe to a body surface or other surface. This is an important phase in the initiation of infection. So there are four options. Adhesion, B is sticking, C is the attaching, D none of above. From these options, correct answer is adherence or adhesion. Next question. A microbe that grows in the presence of oxygen is, options are aerobes, microbes, D is the none. Answer is the B, aerobes. Next question. A polysaccharide made from seaweed and use solidifying bacteriological media is called. Options are agar, meat cooked media, culture media, none. So answer is the agar. A is the answer. Next question. Examples are gentamicin, amikacin, streptomycin. A type of antibiotic called. Options are antibiotics, B antiemetics, C amino glycoside, D none. Answer is the C amino glycosides. Next question. To stick to one another, clump of particle, red cells, etc. are called as. Options are agglutinate, B sticky, joining one to another, D all. The answer is agglutinate. Next question. Photosynthetic microbes are called. Options are A algae, B microbes, C aerobes, D anaerobes. Answer is the A algae. Next question. The blue-green algae are. Options are prokaryotes, B eukaryotes, C fungi, D prokaryotes and other eukaryotes. Answer is the D. Okay. Next question. N undesirable evening response due to hypersensitivity is known as. Options are A. Allergy, B. Anti-allergic, C. Pyrexia, D. is sensitivity. The answer is the A. Allergy. Next question. What are the active against gram-negative organisms, including Pseudomonas species and some gram-positive species? Options are A. Aminoglycoside, B. Glycoside, C. Amino acid, D. Antibiotics. Answer is the aminoglycosides. Next question. A eukaryote organisms that lacks a rigid cell wall and moves by pseudopods. The options are A. Hydra, B. Amoeba, C. Scabies, D. Spore. Answer is the amoeba. Okay. Next question. A microbe that grows in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobes, aerobes. C is the microorganism, D is the virus. Answer is the A, anaerobes. Next question. One of the forms of the hypersensitivity. One of the forms of hypersensitivity. Options are A. Apophylaxis, B. Anaphylaxis, C. Aerobes, D. anaerobes. Answer is the B. Anaphylaxis. Next question. A protein which appears in the body fluids of an animal after contact with a foreign molecule antigen and which comes specifically with that antigen is called. The options are antibody, antigen, protein, molecule. Antibody. Answer is the antibody. Next question. A serum that contains antibodies a particular antigen is known as. Options are A. Serum, B. Antiserum, C. Antibodies, D. Antibiotics. Answer is the antiserum. Okay. Question. A serum contains antibodies to a toxin either as a result of natural infection or more often in response to injection of toxin is known as. Options are antitoxins, antiseptic, antimicrobes, antibodies. Answer is the antitoxin. A is the answer. Next question. Expand. HAI. Options are human acquired immunity, house acquired infection, C. host acquired infection, D is hospital acquired infection. Answer is from these options. D is the correct answer. Hospital acquired infection. Next question. Expand CSSD. Options are Central Service Servant Department, B. cause of sexual secondary disease. C. Central Sterile Supply Department. D is the none of above. Here the correct answer is the C. Central Sterile Supply Department. Expand SENIC. Options are a study on the efficiency of nosocomial infection control. B is the Science Education National Immunity Center. C is the Social Economy Nutrition Improve Centers. Now D is the none of above. Answer is study on the efficiency of nosocomial infection control. Okay. Next question. Expand ICC. Options are Inter Infection Control Center, B. Infection Control Committee, C. Infection of community cause, D. None of above. For this answer is the B. Infection Control Committee. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and like.